Hey filmmaker, Chung Dha here. In this video we're going to make a Cine Shade for this setup. A Cine Shade is basically a flag that we're going to mount here in front so we can avoid light falling into the lens from a certain angle, which would cause like lens flares or like hazing in the lens itself. So we're going to add like a nice flag, and we're going to only use around $25 to make it, so it's not an expensive setup. You might ask, why not just buy like a professional matte box for this? And I do have like a matte box, but personally I feel like it's quite a huge setup. Especially a matte box would get quite a lot of attention. People would think you're doing like a professional shoot, while sometimes you want to be like taking a small setup and do like more of a guerrilla style shoot, but still have like something to flag off the light, so you don't have like hazing going on and certain lights that falls into the lens from a certain angle. So what we need is, the first thing here is a magic arm. So this costs around $15, so it's not that expensive. You can buy it quite a lot of places. There'll be a link in the description below where you can buy this one, and be quite affordable to find these actually at a lot of like camera stores, or you can buy it on in the link below where you can find them. So this we mount here on top of the hot shoe, so it makes it quite easy, so we don't have to have a cage or any special rigging, so you can just directly mount it onto the hot shoe. So I've removed this thumb screw or this thumb nut from here because we're going to mount something to use as a flag. So what I bought is this set of gray cards, gray card, white card and black card. This is like $9 to $10. It's not that expensive, but it's like a nice hard plastic card. It doesn't bend, as you can see. It just holds its shape quite nice and well. Plus, it's being plastic, we can easily make a hole in it. So I made a hole in this one, and I didn't use a drill. I just literally grab a scissor and just poke through it, and then just rotate it to make the hole big enough to put like a 1/4 inch through here. So you want also not have the hole too close to the hole or too close to the edge. You want to be slightly further, like 1 centimeter from the side, to give you like a nice hold. And yeah, you can also measure even using the hole of the thumb nut here. So this we are going to put through this screw area of the friction arm, and we're going to put this thumb nut on here. So this is now mounted. So being a magic arm, we can easily unlock it, change the angle of it quite fast and quite easy, and get like it in the angle that we want. So it's quite nice. And also, of course, it being plastic, this is quite light, so we don't have like a metal or like you could basically make this from a metal or from paper. A paper, I'd be afraid using cardboard that it would break too easily. Metal, it might be quite difficult to get like a metal sheet and then paint it, and also probably be more expensive. This is quite affordable. It's not that expensive and quite lightweight, and you can easily replace it if it breaks. So that was mainly it, how to make this Cine Shade. Hopefully you guys found this video quite useful. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button here below, and also make sure to hit that bell icon so you're always updated when I post a new video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.